Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna ukwenza i-album review kaThabo. Bambiza Thabo Kimisi, intwana yaseThembisa, the Golden Mambisa boy. uThabo, uTouchline from Amamaziyo ke. So kade khona kwi-space rap, but I feel like akasitholi isikhathi sakhe, but I think it's solid i-project yakhe la ikhiphile solid and isanda ke i-album because akasho ukuthi i-album uvele wadropa as usual, uvele wadropa i-album iphumile. Ngizoyibiza nge-album because mina ngifuna ngathi album, so ngizohighlighta lezi ngoma ezimbalwa engizwile, and I think this one iyakhombisa i-maturity because usebe khona kwi-game isikhathi eside, siyamazi unzima ngamagama like ulyrical ngaleyo ndlela, but khona iside engilipick up-ile kule project yakho ukuthi no, I think ezinye ingoma lakho usiyazama ukuthi no mhlawumbe ayithole leyo ngoma ezoba commercial or something like ezoba easy for ama-fans because uNtswebo kakhulu ngamagama, ugijima kakhulu ngamagama, but sikhona lezi ngoma ezifunekayo emele idlale eradweni like there's one song akayenzile nalomjida lo weMorumba Page uMeyoni ibizwa The World Is Yours. Leyo ngoma i-soft, melodic, even indlela akarapha ngayo like akarap like utouch lo ngaleyo ndlela like urelaxile like I think leyo ngoma leyo mhlawumbe mangafika eradweni ingafika idlale like eradweni ibe ku-high rotation because simple and melodic, imnandi, but sikhona ezinye ingoma interesting like there's a song i-Calm Spirit ikhuluma about isigameko esenzeka after i-break up. I know uThabo when it's come to ama-break up umjito ongasabile like to go in, and elenye into engiyithanda ngayo like because mayihethekile ubhala phansi, mayihappy ubhala phansi, mayirap mayihlephula amanye ama-rappers ubhala phansi. So nayo enye ingoma le ngithema ngizwa ukuthi I think interesting, imnandi, and usebenzela lo mntwana uMendi because nawo uSuntu khona ingoma bebenze together, so I think banawo nje lonto lo connection wabo. So leyo ngoma nayo enye ingoma entswempu engizwile khona laphana. Obvious Thabo Kimisi ibiphumeleze i-single before ina ne-music video, so nayo khona laphana, and khona ama-interlude akhona laphana edila amajita asekasa asethembisa athi no uthasha unzima egroundini, unzima naku-rap, so ubamele umrapper laphana, so ikhona umjida laphana omniza ama-flowers akhe laphana. There's also another interesting interlude laphana limtshela laphana, I think ikhona u-music video uthi no hayi Thabo Kimisi le studio, but when it's come to la endlini uThabo, so already hayi adlala masekuziwa kwalo ilona lishaya umthetho. So nayo I think le enye into interesting ukuthi include ku-album because i-album yenziwa izinto ezifana nama-interlude nama-intro, so le inayo yonke into le project yakhe. That's why mina ngiyibiza nge-album even though yena engakaphumeli front wathi album because uvele wadropa nje azake kusho ukuthi EP because akwazi uba EP because inengoma eziwu-12 so it sound like i-album, so mina ngizoyibiza nge-album. But sikhona ezinye ingoma, khona enye ingoma interesting no Ginger Trill no Kid X. Leyo ngoma leyo nakhona ukihuki laphana, and bengezwa nokuthi uyena nama ngisayilela because bengithi ubalo Kid X uTouch bengididekile nami, but into interesting kakhulu leyo ngoma laphana ine-verse le-Venek ka-Ginger Trill. Angazi ngilizwe since ngamazi lo mjida lwana uyi-English one way and umuntu onzima kakhulu ngamagama, but laphana ushaya something esimple laphana nge-Venek interesting na I think nayo leyo ngoma le ine-potential oba commercial na, so enye ingoma naye ngiyithandile laphana. Then there's one song angazi mazothi yadabukisa yini, but I'm not that guy anymore, like umuntu okade rap kade shisa thothi ifame ayisekho leyo ngoma i-deep leyo feature show uJay Jody lo mjito wase-PTA nakudala khona kwi-game. I think ube perfect feature for leya feature lana because nawo omunye umuntu osebe khona isikhathi eside kwi-game, so mhlawumbe nayo ifame ayenayo ngalesa sikhathi seku-ambitious bese i-branch bakhe mhlawumbe nayo isafane, so that's why bemthathele bamfaka laphana. So i-deep leya ngoma uthi hayi ugcina suhamba ulalela laphana ingoma zakho, ugcina uyolalela laphana ungene ku-Spotify uyoboost ama-streams just to boost your self-esteem. So nje inzima laphana because ifame inama-level ihamba iphinde ishone phansi, so I think abantu abafana nabo Japa ba-experience leyo nto maybe mangasekho mhlawumbe ezinye izathu ezenza uske begcine bethatha iy'mpilo zabo. So leyo ngoma nje mangilalela i-deep, and I think izoba deep kakhulu kubantu abakwi-game like especially abama-OG lawa hip hop because ifame ayisafani nakuqala. So leyo ngoma leno angizwile ngithintile nami ukuthi okay hayi this one is deep. So Touch when it's come to amagama uyabhala ngempela umjida lo, so nje ihlangene i-project like I wish I can go through all the song, but ngizomenshina lezi ezimbalwa mhlawumbe I feel like khona ingoma engiyikhohlwa, but ngi-enjoy kakhulu i-project I think ina 2 weeks iphumile, but ilokuyeza ngempela. So uTouch I think usayibambile leyo because seside lesikhathi lesi I feel like kumele mhlawumbe uthashe mhlawumbe usekulevel angazi I feel ngathi kumele abuku level edopareni but ngiyayithanda indlela iprogress yakhe indlela ahamba ngane indlela ka consistent ngakuthi every year like ama music video akasikhohlwa la uhleze ze proper something so ingoma engikhohlwa yile ne music video le inkunzi le nomnqobi yazo no Questa so that is one song entswempo ezoba hit already sine video nje phuma elinomnqobi yazo lapha ku hook then ibe ne verse ka Questa lapha strong kakhulu so that is one song entswempo ngalendlela and ikhona interview yakhe ngeke ngayibuka ekade ehleli nalomntwana la I think uAziza lapha ku the element ekade break down album yakhe so lo ngoma le uthi umnqobi yazi nje wavela ngene studio wathi 1 2 wahlephuli ukwaqedwa hamba athi hayi saze saduma sibancane angithe mase ngizothi impela le ngoma la izofika endaweni eningi hayi basazoduma ngempela le ngoma inswempu ihlangene kakhulu and I'm happy ba drop a music video early so nje le ngoma one of the song naye ehlangene and ngeke ngabona interview la ekade yenza no Speedster lapha ku 5FM nakhona lapha ezama ukuchaza like indlela i-album le yakhe akayenze ngayo so I think abantu ngaba recommend bephinde beyibuke nabo especially mothi ufuna uleya le project because we break down ngale ndlela lapha nama question abambuze wona la bathi kuba deep na kuma buzz lapha because yazi ko shape bahlezi be read lapha ngokuthi be attack so nje I feel like as a speaker nawe singayinikeza maybe a strong 9 out of 10 album because awekho maningi ama album hip-hop this year so uThabo ukhiphile I think ngamnikeza u9 because asimcompare nama album amaningi vele so 9 out of 10 mina ngamnikeza maybe bekuna 15 song or 16 song like kube album like strong mhlawumbe bengamnikeza u10 out of 10 but ngithandeka kakhulu and ngithanda i-broad le yakhe because ngambona no usemuvile kuba yilo amjida kakhulu amabuzz kakhulu sezikhona lezi ngoma like the world is yours about uyazama ungena laphana but there is a song in a hook yesixhosa laphana ebizwa ngeveza zonke efeaturishe ezinye intwana I think izona ezincane because ngeke ngabona sama kwenye ingoma the Dope Kid omunye uSnezi P I think uye lokho ihook lo yozinzima lezo ntwana so if ulalela hip hop look out for those kids because ngeke ngababona kwenye ingoma ebefeaturishe khona ingoma bebenze unozakwe laphana bantswembo kakhulu so uthasha uthi bathathe bafake la I think nawe ibona i-potential ekubona so leyo ngoma le iveza konke na ayibhenga ke le iyona ngoma o DJ beyiphope kumele abanayo kuma USB beyudlalela ingoma lezi zakudala but asikho lapho ke anyway sekhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe sikhona ku Facebook speaker nawe TikTok speaker nawe sikhona ku Twitch speaker nawe awe we out